Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing an update to my Partners in Cream project pan. So if you want to see the progress that I made this past month, then just keep on watching. Before we do that though, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Alright, so we have another update. This project was, of course, created by the lovely Stefan Dellin here on YouTube. I will link their channels down below, as well as the rules for this project, the project playlist, everything you need to know. I don't want to keep repeating myself every video, especially because these are the updates. You probably already know the rules. So, yeah. So, let's just hop into the updates. So, first up, we have my ColourPop Flexitarian Highlight. My goal was to hit side pan. I am, like, almost there. Like, I could probably manipulate it. Like, there is, like, barely anything to that side pan. I mean, it would be a really little side pan, but yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I feel like I should have more progress for how much I'm using it. I used it 17 times in the past month. I think maybe part of it is I'm using a brush as opposed to my fingers, so I don't know if that has a role in it. I wish I had more progress, but it is just going to be slow going. Hopefully I can finish it by the end of the year. I was really hopeful when I rolled it in. I'm not so sure now, but we're gonna try as hard as I can. So yeah, I am just gonna continue to use it. My goal is to finish it, so it'll probably be in here the majority of the year. I'm a little nervous because I don't reach for this as much in the summer, but we'll see. Maybe I can try it as a highlight thing under my foundation. I'm not really sure. I think I need to find a way to use this more than I am, because just putting it on my cheekbones, it's not moving as fast as I would like it to move. Next up, we have my gloss, and I have my Tower 28 in the shade Chill, and no surprise here, we finished it. I mean, I flew through these so much faster than I thought I was going to. So I used this 7 times and then it was done. I love this gloss formula. It's so good. I'm going to be purchasing one of the Milky versions during the Sephora sale when I'm eligible to, you know, participate in the sale. So I'm really excited to try that. This is so nice. It's so moisturizing on the lips. It's like a treatment. It's so good. So yeah, I'm really excited to get 4 mini lip glosses out of my collection so far this year. That's 4 less glosses than I have in my inventory, which is fantastic. So yeah, I don't know that my gloss movement is going to be as fast as it was in these past few months, but I'm excited that I was able to get so many glosses out so fast in the beginning of the year. Next up, we have my lipstick, and I only used this 5 times. I haven't been wearing lipstick that much. I've been reaching more for glosses, but I'm still gonna keep trying. I have like no movement when I checked on the piece of paper, which is annoying, but this is what we're looking like. I am kind of trying, I've started to try to wear down the tip as opposed to like just increasing the slant. I think that might be why there's no movement. But I'm gonna try to start like removing the slant, and hopefully that'll get us more progress. I use this, yeah, like I said, 5 times. I need to be using it more. But I've had like a lot of lip products in my project, so it's made it a little bit difficult. I am wearing it today with a gloss on top, which, by the way, this look is going to be upcoming. If you know, I do a series on my channel where I do a build your own palette based on the book covers of Harry Potter, and so the 4th one will be coming up after this video. So anyway, I just have to keep using this. I am going to set a goal to use it 10 times next month. Let's try and do that. We'll see. Okay, so I next up have my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm in the shade Fair Beige, and as you can see, we made progress. Not as much as the last month, but we have made progress, and I used this a total of 14 times in the last month. I found myself forgetting to put on concealer. I don't know why that is, and I mean 14 times is a decent amount, but I feel like I could use it more for how often I wear makeup. So yeah. I need to use this more, but I mean, I'm happy with the progress. I do think this is going to be in for maybe 2 to 3 more months, just because even once you get to the bottom, there's still concealer that comes off, and I'm not going to take the stopper out, 1, because I don't really care for this concealer, 2, if you're new here, I don't usually take the stoppers out of things. I just don't like to, so if I wasn't a panner, I wouldn't anyway, so I just don't. But yeah, that's my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to be really excited to get that out of my collection. I wasn't supposed to be buying any concealers, but during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, I did end up trying the, I I did end up picking up the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating, or like Ultra Creamy version. So I have one more than I should have or would want, but I am close to that one, so I'm really not that mad about it. And then one of my concealers is a color corrector, so I'm happy with my concealer collection, but I will be excited to get my numbers down just because I'm not that excited by concealer. So really, in a perfect world, I'll have like 2 to 3 instead of the, well, 6 I have now, but soon it'll be 5. Next up, we have my Wanda Beauty Catch the Light Glotion in the shade Celestial. I don't know if I've ever said that. I don't know if there are more than one shade. I don't use the stick highlight on the bottom. It's just not my thing. So I just use this as a mix-in for my my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I'm wearing it today. I think it's beautiful. Progress is to be expected. Obviously, last month we had a huge jump, and that's just because the air bubble popped out, but we were there, and now we're here. So about the same from when I first, you can barely see that. It's about the same as the first update, so I'm not mad about that. I've made great progress. I think this is going to be in for a few more months, and then it'll be out. I really, really like this. I think after I finish this, I will, or close to when I'm done with it, I will be purchasing something similar to mix in with foundations because I really like it. I don't know if it'll be the Auric Glow Lust or if it'll be, I'm also considering 2 different price ranges, the Auric Glow Lust or the Lip Bar. They came out with like a serum highlight. I might try that. I'm not really sure. But I found I really like having this type of product in my collection, and this is the only one I have right now. I mean, I have the Ilia Liquid Light Serum Highlight, but I guess I'll have to try it. I mean, it's a sample and it's in another project, so I guess I'll have to try it, but I wouldn't repurchase that one. It's not the right color for me. But yeah, anyway. Rambling aside, I used this 20 times, so quite a bit. I love, pretty much every time I use my Milani foundation, I like to mix it in, and it's just the perfect combination, like chef's kiss, beautiful, I love it. So I will actually miss this, but I don't know that I'll repurchase this specific one. And finally, we have my Super Shock Shadow. This is in the shade Like a Moth from the Raw Beauty Kristi collaboration, and I don't have pan. I've been on a roll where I have it, but I've been trying to wear it down a little more evenly, so because these are easy to hit pan on. I know the one I had last month, I kind of went for it and easily hit pan, but I'm trying to wear it down a little bit more evenly so it's not like super fast and not just like product smushed up on the sides of the pan. So I'm trying to wear it more evenly. I only used it twice, but I do like it, and it goes really well with some of my Pan Those Shadows, so hopefully by next month we will have something, we'll have pan and I can roll it in the next one, but I'm not mad that I didn't finish it this update. I think it's good to wear it down a little bit more evenly than just like aggressively hit pan. So that is the Super Shock, and now we have one item to roll in. So originally at the beginning of this project, my goal was, after going through the Tower 28 glosses, was to roll in this gloss. This is the Real Her Be Limitless gloss in the shade Mauve. However, there is like not a lot in here, like just looking in it. So I didn't want to roll it into the project just because not even a lot comes up on the wand. So I feel like I could just finish this outside of a project. And so I am going to roll in this gloss because I don't really like it. And it's a gloss I like to use on top of lipstick. So this will be good to pair with like my Third Eye lipstick. And so this is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip gloss in the shade Strawberry Daiquiri. I just don't like this because I can feel kind of like the shimmer in it, and I don't like the smell. It's like fake strawberry, but like not even strawberry. I'll apply a little bit. It's fine. I use it over lipstick because, while it's a little pink in the tube, it kind of goes on clear, and I don't care if I kind of like mess up the shade of it with lipstick. So I just decided to roll this in like right before I started filming, so I still need to let it settle so I can mark it. I don't know how much there will be in here. I think maybe at least this much, maybe lower, I'm not sure. So I will pop up a picture once this settles. Actually, I need to edit and upload this video today, so I might not have a picture of where it settles because it might take like overnight to settle, and I'm behind on filming this. Like I said, I have to upload this today, so I am just going to, I'll show you a picture in the next update where we started. You'll see. So that's going to sit over there and settle. But that is all I have for you today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!